Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now my friends, let's start by singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. What day is it today, friends? Yes, it's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long, all day long. Yes, my wonderful friends, it's Tuesday today. And guess what? We are in a brand new month. We said goodbye to January, and now we're in the month that comes after January. What month is that? February, of course. Yes, and it's a wonderful month. It's a month that we also celebrate Valentine's Day. Now, friends, let's sing the 7 days song. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, friends. Can we all find out about our weather for today? Let's do that by singing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Yes, now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but we have a little rainy day today. Yes, it's a rainy day. All right, friends. Now let's find out about our color of the day today. Our color of the day today is the color green. We get green when we mix the colors blue and yellow together. And that's how you get green. Can we think of some things that might be the color green? Yes, there's grass. There are the leaves on the trees. There are caterpillars. Lots of different things are green, right? Now, let's find out about our shape of the day today. Our shape of the day today is a diamond. Yes, a diamond is a wonderful shape, isn't it? Now, it might be a little tricky to find a diamond around, but I'm sure we can find it if we look very, very carefully. All right, now let's talk about our number of the day today. Our number of the day today is the number 12. 12 is the number that comes after 11. And we talked about the number 11 yesterday, didn't we? Now, let's all count to the number of the day, the number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good, friends. Give yourselves a clap. That was very good counting. Thank you for counting with me. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day today. Take a look, friends. Our letter of the day is the letter V. 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 V for violin. V for volcano. V for vegetables. V. 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 Yes, now that we know our very cool and wonderful letter of the day, we can talk about our area of the day. Let's all take a look at the area of the day today. Our area of the day today is Valencia. Valencia is located in the northeastern side of Trinidad. It is a beautiful place and there are lots of ecotourism there as well. Take a look at the wonderful area. Beautiful. Wow. Take a look at our area of the day. Isn't it nice? Now, friends, we're ready to talk about our lesson for today. And today we are going to be talking about compost. Now, we mentioned compost last week when we were talking about all the ways that we can save the environment. Well, composting is one of those ways. This is when you use the stuff that you have in your kitchen, like when you peel your banana or you peel the skin off your carrots or other vegetables like potatoes and so on, or even fruits, and you put them together to use in your garden. Now, making a compost heap is quite simple. All you need is some dirt. Then you take your scraps, your kitchen scraps, and put it together. So you can use whatever you have at home, whatever peels that you might have, if it's bananas, if it's potato, pumpkin, whatever you have, and you're going to use some dirt outside as well. Now we are going to create our compost heap in a jar. So if you have a jar or a bottle, you can use this for this activity. What you need to do is start by putting some soil on the top. Then you add some of your kitchen scraps. Then put another layer of soil at the top again. And then you place some more of your kitchen scraps. You can even use leaves that have fallen from your trees and shrubs on the outside. All of these will help to make your compost beautiful and ready to be used in the ground to have your plants grow beautifully. Compost is one of the ways that we can enrich the soil, meaning to make the soil a lot better for plants and help the environment as well as help our plants grow healthier and strong. So composting is important. Now I hope you enjoy making this compost heap, friends. If you're not able to make this compost heap as yet, you can try it again another time, and in the meantime you can draw a beautiful picture. But I hope you enjoy this activity. Don't forget to subscribe.